What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. When it comes to the stocks you choose, we're giving out free game for you. So today I want to show you guys. I'm going to be talking about simple investing strategies, for long-term holders. This is just a strategy that you can use for investing. If you don't know how to invest, just simple tips to show you how I do it personally. Like I said, this is not financial advice, but I do want to show you my 5 strategies to pick from. So I invest in indexes. So 1, 2, 3, 6. I got 6 for you today. Not 5, I got 6. So the first one is going to be VTI, which is Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. So what I do is look at a track record from 10 to 20 years. And that's what determines what I invest in. A good track record from 10 to 20 years. Look at the average rate of return. And as you see here, over the past year, VTI has been up 9%. It was up higher. So this is a new year. So we're starting over. So last year, they ended at around, what was that? The price was about 240 area. That's where they ended. So from January until now, it looks like they're down about 7%. So that's just starting from January. So we still got a long way to go. So this is one index fund that you can look into and invest in. Over the past month, they're down 4%. So it looks like we're finding some area of support. So VTI is just one that I like for a long term. You can put $5, $100, whatever you want to put in it. I recommend fractional shares because you can buy as much as you want. So fractional shares, like a particular one that I like is Fidelity. So Fidelity and Robinhood is my fractional shares brokers that you can buy at. Robinhood is probably the most simplest one you can use. So I recommend Robinhood if you want to do the fractional shares. So my next one is Vanguard 500 index fund. So it's just similar to VTI. So this is another index fund that you can invest in. $5, $100, $20, whatever you want to do. Then I got my third one, which is UCO, which is ProShares Ultra Bloomberg Crude Oil. So you can see over the past year, and we're just starting from January. We can just start from January. And we're going to say they're up 33%. We starting, this is just brand new, fresh start. So they're already on a tear. So UCO, this is the crude oil ETF. So it's an index. So then I got another one, which is VFH, which I think is going to do great this year. Vanguard Financials Index is another index that you can put $5, $100, $10, whatever you want to put in it. There is no limit. So up this year, you're up 26%. And if we just start from January, because it's a new year, they're at 1.6% or 1.72%. So this is going to do great this year. So this is another one that I like, the financials index, because of the rate hikes that's going to come this year. I think they're going to do really well. So another index that you can invest in is VGT. So VGT is Vanguard Information Technology and Fund, so the tech. So as you can see, this year looks like they're up 10%, but if we start from January, because it's a new year, they're down negative 40. What is that? 9%, negative 9%. So keep in mind, this is the tech sector, and they're going to come back strong. So technology always prevails in the end. If you look at their overall chart, they're up 746%. So just in the past month, it looks like they're down 4%. So they were down more, but as you can see, the ETF is finally bouncing a little bit. And last but not least, another ETF that you can invest in is Vanguard Energy Index. So over the past month, they're up 11%. Just in 1 month, they're up to 11%. So you would have had 11% on your money just this year alone. So for the year, looks like they're up 54% on the year. So we just start from January. So now they're up 22% just from January. So you would have put 22% on your money. So these are just some indexes that you can safely invest in. There's not a lot of risk. It's an index. So ETF is pretty simplified. It's a bunch of it's an index. It's a bunch of companies in one, different stocks or whatever they may be. And this is just something that you can do for long-term investing, safely investing. If you don't know how to invest, just invest in ETFs. You don't have to do stocks, which is more high risk. You don't have to do crypto, which is even higher risk. So these are just some tips, some strategies you can use. Investing in the indexes, and you'll be fine in the long term. So these are long-term plays. We're not trading these. This is just some tips for you if you don't know how to invest. Simplified investing strategies. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Update you guys on my portfolio for the week. And my $100 a week challenge is still in effect. And I will keep you guys updated. Out.